Camera kapya dia. Hamba hor pagi necrology na ma hor wahim harak ba hor ko do. Sana bila le. Adu ida hom se ba ka. Idin ke bangi. Adu si ye ke ba mong to di. Adu idine. Adu si hek loy bagani ojana chen tharaga icha na pidik phone lor kada ba. Ase phami mi ko. First row the phami mi. Lucky do. Ai cha na pidik sa. Mongani phone lor kada ba. Ai ni phone lor. Okay. Hek loy bagani ojana chen thabi ra phone lo.
Your attention, please. We are going to start the necrology in a very short while. We would like to request all the delegates to please enter the hall. We request all the delegates to please enter the hall as we shall be starting the necrology in a very short while. Thank you.
We are gathered on this day to celebrate the life of our departed lions. We stand and wait, wonder and mystery at the presence of God, relying upon His grace and mercy in this time of remembrance. We stand together united in our commitment to serve our fellow men, even as our departed lions did. In our service to our fellow men, we learn the value of our service to our fellow men. We learn the value of our authentic human life. May we again rededicate our life in the memory of the departed lions.
Necrology. Necrology and obituary. A journey of remembrance to those who left us during the Lionistic year 24-25. In loving memory of our loved ones let us all pay tribute to the departed souls of District 322D. Death of a dear one leave a heartache no one can heal, but memories with them are precious, no one can steal. Those we love do not go away. They walk beside us every day, unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and very dear. Let us remember with gratitude the moments we spend with them. Let us pray for the departed souls to raise eternal peace in their heavenly abode.
ऐसे बहुत से लोग हैं जो इस दुनिया से चले जाने के बाद भी अपने पीछे अपना प्रभावी इतिहास छोड़ जाते हैं और उनकी यादें हमेशा हमारे दिलों में रह जाते हैं। संसार की यही रीत है कि जो आते हैं उसे जाना ही पड़ता है। यहाँ हर व्यक्ति अपनी अपनी भूमिका निभाने के लिए जन्मते हैं और निभाने के बाद ईश्वर के शरण में चले जाते हैं। आज उन्हें दिवंगत लायंस के स्मरण में सहृदय श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
ꯇꯦꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯅꯤ, ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯅꯤ꯫ ꯅꯣꯛꯄ, ꯀꯞꯄ, ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ, ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯕ, ꯄꯣꯛꯄ, ꯁꯤꯕ, ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅꯁꯥꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯍꯧꯔꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ꯫ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯀꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯃꯩꯔꯥ꯫ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯂꯥ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯍꯟꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ꯫ ꯀꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯝꯂꯕ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಜಲಿꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯆꯤꯜ ꯄꯣꯃꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯡꯅ ꯇꯔꯥꯝ ꯇꯔꯥꯝ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯞꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ꯫
Melvin Jones was a remarkable visionary and community leader who founded Lions Club International. Born in Fort Thomas, Arizona in 1879, he grew up in a family that valued hard work and community service. In 1917, he founded the first Lions Club in Chicago with the goal of creating a network of clubs that would work together to serve the communities. He believed that true happiness could only be found through service to others. He once said, "You can't get very far until you start doing something for somebody else." Melvin Jones passed away in 1961, but his legacy lives on through the millions of people whose lives have been touched by the work of Lions Club International. His vision of where people work together to serve the communities continues to inspire generations of Lions and other service-minded individuals. May his soul rest in peace.
Death, be not proud. The some have called day mighty and dreadful, for thou art not so. For those whom thou thinkst thou dost overthrow, die not, poor death, not yet canst thou kill me.
वे हमसे दूर चले गए, उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिले, यही हमारी प्रार्थना है। उनका प्यार और आशीर्वाद हमें हमेशा मिलता रहे, उनकी यादें हमारे दिलों में जिंदा रहें। हम उनके रास्ते पर चलेंगे, हर कदम उनकी प्रेरणा से भरपूर होगा। न भूलेंगे हम उन्हें कभी, क्योंकि वे हमारे दिलों में हमेशा रहेंगे।
Lion Brahma Prakash Bakshi, BP Bakshi MGF. Late Lion Brahma Prakash Bakshi was born on 12 May 1938. He joined Lionism as a chartered member of Lions Club of Tinsukia in the year 1964. He was the district governor of District 322D in the Lionistic year 1984-85. His slogan was Better Fellowship, Greater Service. He initiated the District Fund Foundation. His dedication towards Lionism was unparalleled. He was the recipient of 100% District Governors Award, New Award, Chevron Monarch Award, DFF Lifetime Achievement Award. His visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to Lionistic service has left an indelible mark on our District 322D. He left for his heavenly abode on 29 May 2024. Om Shanti.
जन्माद्यस्य यतः अर्थात मोक्ष वह अवस्था है जहाँ आत्मा जन्म मरण के चक्र से मुक्त हो जाती है और ब्रह्म में लीन हो जाती है. ओम शांति शांति शांति.
His time among us was brief, yet he lived forever in our hearts. Though now his journey's end, the lessons remain, teaching us what truly lasts. Love that outlives the flesh, memories that shine bright, even in death's darkness. Lessons that light our way when all seems lost. We honor him now for the joy he brought, the tears he taught us to cry, the hopes he inspired.
Late Lion Kumalambam Sarojini Devi, born on 15th May 1951, was a member of Lions Club of Imphal Lamerol. She was a dedicated member of the club. In her capacity, she was a secretary of State Leela Academy and the first woman director in the Department of Arts and Culture. She was also the president of Lamerol Khorzai Khol and published many books as a writer. She left for her heavenly abode on the 2nd July 2024. She is survived by her spouse and daughter. May her soul rest in peace.
Naha punshi sanaroi, taibang kongchat kongburoi, mapang shet na rabi masanaw, mapari kay na rabi apokpi, khangli khangamda, hingli hingamda, thamoy kay na hik na kaptuna.
मृत्यु भी एक प्रकार की शांति है जो जीवन के सब दर्दों को मिटा देती है. जीवन में हम दुखों से भागते हैं पर मृत्यु में वही दुख शांति बन जाते हैं. तब न कोई दुख न कोई चिंता, बस शांति और शांति का साम्राज्य.
Late Lion Shantlal Agarwal was born on 13th June 1938. He joined Lions Club of Nagaon in the year 1986-87. He was the club president in the year 2002-2003. He sponsored the Lions Homeo Clinic, Oxygen Bank, Eye Clinic, Center for many years. He was married to late Gomti Devi Agarwal, and his sons and grandsons are also Lion members. He was associated with various social organizations of Nagaon, trustee of Jagannath Mandir, founder member of Sri Gopal Gansala, permanent invitee Assam Sahitya Sabha, former president of Agarwal Sabha, life member of Shankar Devi Mission, former president of Marwari Sammelan, former president of Thakur Bari Mandir. He left for his heavenly abode on 4th August 2024. May his soul rest in peace.
मृत्यु के इस कठिन सत्य को स्वीकार करते हैं हम, लेकिन दिल में आपकी यादें कभी कम नहीं होंगी। आप हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेंगे। ईश्वर से हमारी यही प्रार्थना है, आपकी आत्मा को शांति मिले और आप हमेशा हमारे दिलों में जीवित रहें।
Do not stand at my grave and weep. I am not there, I do not sleep. I am 1,000 winds that blow, I am the diamond glints on snow. I am the sun on ripened grain, I am the gentle autumn rain. When you awaken in the morning's hush, I am the swift uplifting rush of quiet birds in circling flight. I am the soft star shine at night. Do not stand at my grave and cry. I am not there, I did not die.
Late Lion Lystrom Heramani Singh, born on 1st July 1950, was a member of Lions Club of Imphal East since 2nd January 2003. He was a dedicated Lion member and served the club and the district to the best of his capacity. He was a Grade 1 MCS officer and retired as Additional Deputy Collector in 2010. He left for his heavenly abode on 10th August 2024. He is survived by his 3 sons and a daughter. May his soul rest in peace.
Chat khare mahakti laklaroi hanna marup mapang tinaduna yauraroi nokpa kaubashu taramda khambashu yenglamda pu khare bidina lapna tamna.
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युर्ध्रुवम् जन्म मृत्युस्य च तस्माद् परिहार्यते न तव त्वं शोचितुं महर्षि। अर्थात जो जन्मा है उसकी मृत्यु निश्चित है और जो मरा है उसका पुनर्जन्म निश्चित है। अतः इस अपरिवर्तनीय सत्य के लिए शोक नहीं करना चाहिए।
Lion Archana Bora. Late Lion Archana Bora was born on 3rd February 1961. She was a member of Lioness Club of Jorhat since 1995. She joined the Lions Club of Jorhat in the year 2016 when the Lioness Club of Jorhat was merged with the Lion Club of Jorhat. She was married to Lion Jitrendranath Bora. She was ward member of Ward number 9 of Jorhat Municipal Board. She was associated with Samgriti Sangha and actively associated with many other socio-cultural organizations. She left for her heavenly abode on 18th August 2024. May
वो चले गए लेकिन छोड़ी है यादें, हर पल उनकी यादें हमारे पास हैं। उनकी यादें कभी फीकी नहीं होंगी, हमें उनकी कमी हमेशा खलेगी, पर उनका आशीर्वाद हमें जीवन में आगे बढ़ाएगा।
Late Lion Ras Kamal Kotoki was born on 31st July 1959 and was a member of Lions Club of Duliajan. He was the president of the club in the year 2018 to 2020. He served as a cabinet member of District 322D. He was a highly experienced electrical engineer of Oil India Limited and retired in the year 2019 as an executive director, planning. He served the club and the district in his best capacity and is left for his heavenly abode on 18th September 2024, and he is survived by his spouse and 2 sons. May his soul rest in peace.
यह आत्मा न जन्म लेती है न मरती है, न ये पहले पैदा हुई थी न अब होती है न आगे होगी। ये अजन्मा, नित्य, शाश्वत और पुरातन है। शरीर के नष्ट होने पर भी यह नष्ट नहीं होती।
Do not weep for me, dear ones, when I am gone. For though my body fades, my soul lives on. In a place of peace and joy, I'll find my rest, where love and light entwine, and hearts are blessed. So, dry your tears, dear friends, and smile for me, for I am free from pain and wild and carefree. In heaven's garden, I'll dance and sing, where love and beauty bloom, and joy takes wing.
Late Lion Pralay Kumar Saha was born on 29 July 1969. He joined Lions Club of Nagaon in the year 2017-2018. He served as secretary in the Lionistic year 2019-2020 and awarded Best Secretary in the category 1. He was the president in the year 2020-2021 and awarded Second Best President. He was Zone Chairperson in 2021-2022. He was serving as cabinet member. He was the superintendent of DICC. He was a state player of Taekwondo and hockey and a good tabla wadak. He was treasurer of many social organizations. He left for his heavenly abode on 27 September 2024. May his noble soul rest in peace.
Death is nothing at all. I've only slipped away to the next room. I am I and you are you. Whatever we were to each other, that we still are. Call me by my old familiar name. Speak to me in the easy way which you always used. Put no difference into your tone. Wear no forced air of solemnity or sorrow. Life remains all that's it ever meant. It is the same that it ever was. Why should I be out of mind because I am out of sight? All is well.
वो जो हमारे पास नहीं है, उनका साया अब हमसे दूर है, पर वे हमारे दिलों में हमेशा रहेंगे। उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिले, यही हमारी प्रार्थना है।
Late Lion Dr. Ningombam Jainendra Kumar Singh, MJF, was born on 28 July 1953 and was a member of Lions Club of Imphal, Southeastern. He joined Lionism in the year 2019 as a charter member of the club and performed his duty as secretary in 3 terms and president in 2023-24. He was an adventurous person and served in the 168 Field Regiment as a physical instructor and later served as physical education teacher in the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports. He retired as associate professor from DM College of Science. He left for his heavenly abode on 30th September 2024. He is survived by his wife, 2 sons, and one daughter. May his soul rest in peace.
सभी प्राणी सदा ही काल के वश में है, कोई भी काल को रोक नहीं सकता, अतः किसी को भी मृत्यु पर शोक नहीं करना चाहिए।
चटखरे महाक्ति मिरमलेन थादोक्तुना अखोइगी इरक्ता तिल्लरोय याउररोय मतमगी लैरोनुंगदा लुपखरे उना उना निंगशिंग निंगशिंग न काउख्रनी अशुम अशुम।
Lion Bulbul Karmakar. Late Lion Bulbul Karmakar was a member of Lions Club of Golaghat. She joined Lionism in November 2017. She held various leadership positions including president, secretary, treasurer and board member. She was the president of Lions Club of Golaghat for the year 2024-25. She passed away on 31st October 2024, leaving behind her husband, Lion Shubhas Karmakar, their son and daughter. She was also a retired chief manager of State Bank of India. Her legacy of service and leadership will always be remembered. May her soul rest in peace.
To the living, I am gone. To the sorrowful, I will never return. To the angry, I was cheated. But to the happy, I am at peace. And to the faithful, I have never left. I cannot speak, but I can listen. I cannot be seen, but I can be heard. So, as you stand upon a shore, gazing at a beautiful sea, as you look upon a flower and admire its simplicity, remember me. Remember me in your heart, your thoughts, your memories of the times we loved, the times we cried, the times we fought, the times we laughed. For if you always think of me, I will never have gone.
Late Lion Mangala Bhattacharjee, born on 19 February 1962, was a member of Lions Club of Digboy. She joined Lionism in 1997 and served as the president of Lioness Club of Digboy. She held various responsible positions in the club. She attended international convention at Hong Kong and Chicago. She was a renowned singer, poet, writer, dramatist, and a sportswoman. She was honored as the Women of the Year 2022. She was a dynamic social worker and a founder of Astha, a leading NGO of Digboy. She left for her heavenly abode on 19 November 2024. She is survived by her husband and 2 sons. May her soul rest in peace.
We will meet you again someday in a brighter place where love and joy entwine and smiles erase the tears we have cried. The pain we have known will fade away as we walk hand in hand In dreams, we see your face, your loving eyes, your warm, sweet surprise. Though we are apart now, we know we will meet in a place where love shines bright. We will laugh, we will cry, we will dance under starry nights.
अलविदा का समय कभी नहीं आता, प्यार और यादें हमेशा बनी रहती है। आप हमारे दिलों में हमेशा आते रहेंगे। आपकी आत्मा हमारे साथ हर पल रहेंगी। आपकी आत्मा को शांति मिले।
Late Lion Dhan Kumar Chabra was born on 28 June 1935. He joined Lionism in the year 1971. He was a member of Lions Club of Imphal. He made invaluable contributions to the club, especially during the construction of the service center and Lions Eye Hospital. He was not only the senior most member of the club, but of the entire state of Manipur. He was honored with Lifetime Achievement Award by Lions Club of Imphal during the year 2022-23. May his soul rest in peace.
Do not stand at my grave and weep. I am not there. I do not sleep. I am 1,000 winds that blow. I am the diamond glints on snow. I am the sunlight on ripened grain. I am the gentle autumn rain. When you awaken in the morning's hush, I am the swift, uplifting rush of quiet birds in circles flight. I am the soft stars that shine at night. Do not stand at my grave and cry, I am not there, I do not die.
आप हमारे बीच नहीं हो, ये सच्चाई है, लेकिन आपकी यादें हमारे दिलों में बनी हैं। हम हमेशा आपको अपने दिल में रखेंगे। आप हमारे साथ हो हमेशा के लिए।
Late Lion Rajesh Malpani, born on 22nd February 1960, was a member of Lions Club of Lakhimpur. He joined the club in the year 2018. He served the club with generosity, humility, and unwavering dedication. He was awarded the Karma Yogi Award by Lions Club International District 322D. He served more than 40 organizations. He was honored by Human Rights Association for helping the people during COVID-19 pandemic. He left for his heavenly abode on 12 January 2025. He is remembered with love by his family. May his soul rest in peace.
His time among us was brief, yet he lived forever in our hearts. Though now his journeys end, the lessons remain, teaching us what truly lasts. Love that outlives the flesh, memories that shine bright, even in death's darkness. Lessons that light our way when all seems lost. We honor him now for the joy he brought, the tears he taught us to cry, the hopes he inspired.
वो पल जब हम बिछड़े थे, कभी सोचा नहीं था वो चेहरे की मुस्कान अब हमें नज़र नहीं आएंगी, पर आपकी आत्मा को शांति मिले, यही हम सब की दुआ है। ईश्वर आपकी आत्मा को विश्राम दे और हमें दिल में आपकी यादें सजीव रहे।
Late Lion Pukram Ramu Singh, born on 1st January 1965, was a member of Lions Club of Imphal City. He joined Lionism in the year 2009 as a charter member of the club. He held the position of Vice President too for the Lionistic year 2024-25. He was a very active, cheerful, and helpful member of the club and other clubs alike, and served the club in all capacities. He was an executive engineer in the Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, Manipur. He departed for his heavenly abode on 31st January 2025. He is survived by his wife and a son. May his soul rest in peace.
Do not weep for me, dear ones, when I'm gone. For though my body fades, my soul lives on. In a place of peace and joy, I'll find my rest, where love and light entwine, and hearts are blessed. So dry your tears, dear friends, and smile for me, for I am free from pain and wild and carefree. In heaven's garden, I'll dance and sing, where love and beauty bloom and joy takes wing.
आप नहीं हो पर आप हमारे बीच जिंदा हो। हर पल आपकी यादें हमें सताती है। मृत्यु एक सच है जिसे हम सभी को स्वीकार करना है, लेकिन आप हमारे बीच हमेशा रहेंगे। ईश्वर आपकी आत्मा को शांति दे और हमें आपकी यादों से आशीर्वाद मिले।
Lion Iringbam Lokendrajit Singh. Late Lion Iringbam Lokendrajit Singh was born in the year 1955. He was a member of Lions Club of Imphal Limerol. He joined Lionism on 28 October 2009 and served the club with unwavering dedication ever since. He retired as Executive Engineer of Public Works Department, Manipur, in the year 2013. After retirement, he served as Superintendent Engineer in the Engineering Wing, Education Department, Manipur, till 2016. He departed for his heavenly abode on 27 February 2025. May his noble soul rest in peace.
To the living, I am gone. To the sorrowful, I will never return. To the angry, I was cheated. But to the happy, I am at peace. And to the faithful, I have never left. I cannot speak, but I can listen. I cannot be seen, but can be heard. So, as you stand upon a shore, gazing at a beautiful sea, as you look upon a flower and admire its simplicity, remember me. Remember me in your hearts, your thoughts, and your memories of the times we loved, the times we cried, the times we fought, the times we laughed. For if you always think of me, I will never be gone. I will never be gone.
आप चले गए लेकिन दिलों में जीवित हो। आपकी यादें कभी फीकी नहीं पड़ेंगी। वो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेगा जीवन भर। हमारी श्रद्धांजलि को स्वीकार करें, आपकी आत्मा को शांति मिले, यही हमारी प्रार्थना है।
My dear Lions friends, we have come to an end to our necrology ceremony. Now I would like to request our DG team and all the past district governors present here to come to the dais and pay homage to our founding father, Melvin John, and other members who have expired in between the two conferences, the last conference which was held in Dibrugarh till yesterday. And I would also like to request all the members present here, they can pay their homage to the departed soul from their seat. They can stand there and pay their homage to them. यहाँ उपस्थित सारे लाइन मेंबरों से अनुरोध है कि वे अपनी सीट्स पर खड़े होकर हमारे जितने लाइन मेंबर गुजरे हैं उन सब के आत्मा के शांति के लिए 1 मिनट का मौन धारण करें। थैंक यू। Dear Lions friends, I would like to introduce the members of Necrology Committee. Though I am the chairperson of the Necrology Committee, but I was in Dimapur and everything is done by the members who are present here in Manipur. And my co-chairperson, Lion Daina Thakcham, convener Bablu Thongjam, member Sital Ji, Konika Khuraijam, Lakshmi Roy, Dr. Linthoy Ningamam, Nandini Thakcham, Mema Malini, Memu Ningboy, and Sukham Joybi. इन्होंने कितने दिनों से इतनी कड़ी मेहनत के साथ ये हमारे नेक्रोलॉजी सेरेमनी को इतनी सुचारू रूप से संचालन किया है। इन सभी के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजा दीजिए।
Good evening once again. I'm thankful to all the Necrology Committee team for showcasing and doing the wonderful projections of those departed souls who was once a member of this great District 322D. And I congratulate each and every team for doing their better services in making this event happen. Thank you once again. So in between, so we will be starting the cultural show very soon. So in between we have the 10-minute slot, the healthy active lifestyle activities, which we shortly we call as HALA, the demonstration by the CNC located at the Manipur University First Gate. It is to be demonstrated to help us to keep it fit and to change the sedentary lifestyles, to reverse the sedentary life in this modern world and awareness, and to check the increasing epidemic-like situations in this world, and to change the eating habits and the nutritions. I request the team of the HALA, led by the President of the Lions Club of Kanchipur Unified, hello? लापियो
salta, olvida tu problema, ven, vámonos que la rumba está buena, la fiesta comenzó. Baila la rumba y la morena. Te dije la noche está buena. Dame ritmo, baila siente mi sonido. Que la fiesta está buena, la gente lo baila. Dame ritmo, baila siente mi sonido. Que la fiesta está buena, la gente lo baila. Caliente, caliente, calientate, mami, muévete. Dame tu fuego, yo sí lo quiero. En la pista, sube, mano arriba.
Thank you. That was the team of Healthy Active Lifestyle Activities. The demonstration team done by the team CNC, MU First Gate Kanchipur. Please give a big round of applause. And I'm pretty sure that we seeing all these activities tonight, the kitchen may be half empty. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you all. So moving ahead, it's an announcement for the tomorrow's parade. The assemble will be at the Kangla Western Gate. I hope everyone knows the Kangla. It's just opposite to the GM Hall. And we will start from there by 7:30 and moving towards the Governor Road, then Nupi Lal, the Memorial Nupi Lal, then crossing the Sanjan Thong, and then back to the conference venue. So we are going to travel just for 1.3 kilometers. It's not very far distance. So I hope everyone to get report at the Kangla Western Gate at 7:30.
Lions, as we are eagerly waiting for the cultural program to kick off, I would like to take the opportunity to introduce Miss Tanu, who is doing her master's in dance, who is the daughter of our very own lion, Leitanthem Sitol, to mesmerize us with her solo performance. The dance she will be performing is called the Hari Riha. I'm sure every one of you would enjoy her performance as we all get together in encouraging our home talent. Hari Riha. This dance is taken from Geet Govinda, the first part of the last canto of the Astapati. It begins with the verse of Hari Riha, Mugdhaba. This verse describes Lord Krishna, who is in love playing in the Manjula Bajula Kunja with Chandrabali, Lord Krishna, puts sandalwood powder on his body, adorns himself with beautiful ornaments, and is in love play with Chandrabali. It portrays delicate body movements and hand gestures with dynamic rhythm pattern. Presenting Miss Tanu.
Smith Sale पञ्चमरागम् कापि विलासविलोलविलोचन खेलन जनित मनो ओजम् धायते मोधबधुरधिकं बधु सुदन बदनस सुदन बदनस सुदन बदनस रोजम् हरिर्हमुधव धुनि करे कापि कपोलतले मिलितलपितुं किमपि श्रुतिमूले चारुचुचुम्बनि तम्बवती दये चारुचुचुम्बनि तम्बवती दये तङ्कुलकैरनुकूले केलिकलाकुतु केनच काचिद् यमुना जलकुले मञ्जुलवञ्जुलकुञ्जगतं वृच कर्षकरेण दु कर्षकरेण दु कर्षकरेण दु कूले हरिर्हमुधव धुनि करे करतल ताल तरल बलया बलि कलित कल स्वन बंसे रास रसे सह नृत्य परा हरि रास रसे सह नृत्य परा हरि नायुबति प्रशंसे श्लीसति कामपि चुम्बति कामपि रमयति रामम् पश्यति संस्मित चारु परामनु परमगसति वामम् हरिर्हमुधव धुनि करे
Thank you. That was Leitanthem Tanu, the beautiful daughter of Lions Sito Leitanthem, the Joint Chairman and a member of Lions Club of Kanchipur. So moving ahead, I would like to invite our District Governor, Lion T.S. Keshav Singh, for an announcement. Please, sir.
Good evening, friends. It is an important announcement I have to make. Our District Fund Foundation invites applications from the clubs of our district for taking up project. We are ready to finance some of the projects, so we invite applications from the clubs. Please submit your application within 20 days. Thank you. How many days are still? 1 week. Okay, sorry. I have to make an amendment to the announcement I made. We have 1 week time to submit our applications. Online, that is also online. Now that is our general funding. We support up to 90,000. Thank you so much.
In continuation of our cultural program, next we have a performance by our very own Rhythm of Manipur. It's a professional music performing troupe supported by Ministry of Culture, Government of India, ICCR, Government of India. Now we'll have the Dancing Drummers. This music composition, Dancing Drummers, is a perfect collage of various rhythms and beats of traditional drums plus locale-made bamboo drums supported by other instruments. In this composition, by focusing to the talents of the Manipuri lady artists, we are pleased to present before you 4 young talented girls dancing drummers on Langden or Manipuri drum. In this composition, the dancers are dancing, clapping, besides playing drum by sticks in various rhythms, steps and beats blended together, the traditional forms and modern music to form such a unique composition. This composition is only of its kind in the whole country. This particular music composition won the prestigious Doordarshan National Award in Music category in the year 2021. Successfully performed over a record 100 shows since 2015 at home and abroad. Sanalebak Manipur. Sanalebak Manipur, the state song of Manipur, describing the beauties and the qualities of Manipur in the beats of Langden drum, presenting the rhythms of Manipur.
Let me give you the announcement one more time. The parade for the tomorrow's morning will start at 7:30, So I request all the members and delegates to kindly report by before 7:30 at the western side of the Kangla. The total distance that we are covering for a parade is just 1.3 kilometers. It is not a very long distance. We flag off from Kangla, move toward the Nupilal Memorial Statue site, crossing the Sajentong, then coming straight to the venue. So I request members and also please share to all the delegates that the parade will flag off by the district governor at 7:30. All the members to report by 7:30 at the western side of the Kangla. Thank you. So you may find in the screen, so this is the aerial map of the route that we will be going tomorrow from Kangla to the convention, the venue site. Since tomorrow is Sunday, we will find less traffic, and you may find on the left side of the Kangla Bank, the ambience is very nice, the beautiful, very airy, they're surrounded by the lush green trees. So I hope everyone joins for the parade. Please report and also inform and convey to all the delegates to assemble and report at the western side Kangla at 7:30. Thank you. And we also personally thank my friend Lion Kosikin, the IT district chairpersons, for doing all the needfuls and keeping the latest update to the delegates. Thank you, my friend. The Kangla has been considered as the most secret place of Manipur. And we are to inform that this never happens in the history that such permission has been given to anybody to flag off any rally or any mass parts. But knowing the value of the Lionism and also the utmost work and the dedications committed by the district governor and the conference chairperson, that the approval has been given to us to flag off the gather at the western side of the Kangla. Thank you to the management and also the Kangla board for giving us a wonderful site where we can start the journey of love, peace and harmony. After the rhythm of Manipur, we have another 4 cultural components. We we will showcase the Lai Harauba. Then next we have Thang Ahum Yanaba, a 3-man fighting with the sword. We have the beautiful Dol Cholom, and finally the one and only, the master of uniqueness, Basantaras. Nikshingjaba mana aikoigi ground floor da aikoina puthokchariba aikoigi stall singi marakta aikoigi yamna nuksijaraba aikoigi internally displaced person singigi makoigi pothok mayama handaki convention asida puthokchare moina sajabata aikoigi manipurgi handicraft and handlooms kaunagi pochai sing back sing amadi ate pola macha kaya marum saduna aikoigi group sing amana moigi thawai hakchang happy boina aikoigi show sida yaubiri mayamda appeal tawjabadi aikoigi convention si loidingai da makoi bu support tawba amoina makoina puthokchaiba pochai sing asi amamta oirachu leibigani haibagi asata aikoina management dagi thamjari.
Indeed, a mesmerizing performance by the Rhythms of Manipur. Our appreciation to the members of Rhythms of Manipur for their absorption and love of our tradition. It is a lovely sight to behold. For the second part of our cultural program, we have a Kamal grade of So by the troupe of Manipuri Jagoi Marup. Manipuri Jagoi Marup is a leading Manipuri dance performing troupe of India, founded by late Guru Padma Shri Amubi Singh in the year 1963, and is an institution devoted to all-round development of Manipuri dances and its rejuvenation. This troupe of dedicated and proficient artists has won great recognition both at home and abroad for its fine performances of traditional, folk, and classical dances of Manipur. Since its establishment, the troupe has given more than 7,000 shows all over the country and visited Iran, Japan, Bhutan, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Rangoon, Vietnam, Laos, Malaysia, Macau, Thailand, Israel, and so many other countries on special invitations. Besides being specially invited to perform at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, in honor of the visiting dignitaries, the group has also performed for various national and international conferences, as well as in many educational institutions. Since 1976, the Government of India, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Culture, has kindly sanctioned agrarian aid under the scheme of financial assistance to eminent performing art projects for its maintenance and production costs, etc. We'll take up 4 performances from this troupe. First, presenting the Lai Harauba. Lai Harauba is a traditional festival of Manipur dating back to prehistoric ages. Lasting for about 10 to 15 days, it mirrors the ancient culture of the Meitei people. In this dance, men and women offer prayer to the Sylvan deities for peace, prosperity of the land. Hundreds of villagers of all ages participate in this dance. Presenting the Lai Harauba.
Hello, chicks.
For the second part of the performance, we have Thang Ahum Yanaba, triple fights, 1 versus 2 men. This style of fighting is based on 3 steps of sword. In this fight, 1 swordman with swords in both hands makes a contest against 2 experts holding swords with shields. The single swordman uses an exciting step so as to cover himself with 2 swords from possible attacks and tries an offensive attack against the 2 experts. Presenting Thang Ahum Yanaba. For the third performance, we have the Dhol Cholong. This is a Manipuri drum dance executed by drummers in wild ecstasy to a particular rhythmic pattern. This dance is performed by male artists during the Holi festival, presenting the Dhol Cholong. Before the next performance, may I have this pleasure to announce a particular person has dropped a vehicle key in the hole. We found it, a child found it and gave it to us. The word Spark is written on the key. If anyone lost it, please contact our cabinet treasurer, Lion Ranjit. I'll make the announcement again. A vehicle key is found from the hole. It's with Lion Ranjit. If anyone lost it, please contact him.
The last dance is Basanta Raj. Basanta Raj may be termed as a dance drama of Manipur. In the full moon night of Chaitra, Sri Krishna comes to the place called Kunja. The gopis led by Radha respond to the call of his flute and they dance together. They play Holi with colored abir, and finally there is Union Milan Sambhoga of Srigar Ras. Raslila.
Khal
Thank you.
Do you like the dance?
Yes, I was very happy. I feel like it's a dream. It's a dream, I think.
You're from? Dimapur, Nagaland. Okay.
I thought, like, मैं एकदम
yeah,
I will.
Can we take photograph?
Yeah, please come.
Tôm ta nằm đi đâu đang tới tổng viên lọc lâu rồi. Simutalo, ya, simutalo.